Hello everyone, welcome to AgroNears channel. I am Professor A.B. Zanzad from Kekewa College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology Nasik, working in Department of Irrigation and Drainage Engineering. Today's my video on the computation of total head and the power requirement in lift irrigation system. So first point is frictional head loss in the pipes. The head loss in pipes and accessories includes energy or head required to overcome the friction in pipes and fittings. In fittings, it includes the strainer, foot all, elbows, bends, reducing sockets, and teeth. First, the loss of head due to friction in pipe. The loss of head due to friction in pipe between 2 points at distance L is given by an formula HF is equal to 4FLV square upon twice GD, where F is coefficient of friction for pipe in meter, L is length of pipe in meter, D is the diameter of pipe in meter. For old pipes, the value of F is 0.01 into 1 plus 1 upon 4.725 into D, and the value of F for new pipes is F is equal to 0.005 into 1 plus 1 upon 4.725 into D. The value of 1 upon 4.725 into D is very small and it is neglected. So the value of F is assumed 0.01 and 0.005. The pumping plant design the power requirement for pumping. First, outer horsepower. The outer horsepower is theoretical power required for pumping. It is expressed as WHP. WHP is equal to discharge in liter per second into total head in meter upon 76. That is Q into H upon 0.076. Then the shaft horsepower. It is the power required at pump shaft and it is expressed as SHP, that is shaft horsepower, is equal to outer horsepower upon pump efficiency. Therefore, pump efficiency is equal to outer horsepower upon shaft horsepower. Then third, the brake horsepower, that is BHP. It is the actual horsepower to be supplied by engine or electric motor for driving a pump in case of monoblock or other direct driven pumps. The brake horsepower is equal to shaft horsepower, that is BHP is equal to WHP, SHP. Assuming the drive efficiency to be 100%, therefore the BHP is equal to WHP upon pump efficiency into drive efficiency. So we will see a problem. Compute head loss due to friction in pipe having the diameter 7.5 centimeter and 120 meter long when the water is flowing at the velocity of 1.8 meter per second and the value of F is 0.005. So here are the given values of diameter 7.5 centimeter. The length of pipe is given, that is 120 meter. Also the velocity of the water is given, it is 1.8 meter per second, and the F value of F is 0.005. Then we have the formula, the frictional head loss, that is HF is equal to 4 FLV square upon twice GD. So by putting this value, we get the frictional head loss, that is HF is equal to 5.28 meter. Then the second problem, a pump lifts 93,600 liter per second hours against a total head of 21 meters. Compute outer horsepower. If pump has an efficiency of 72%, then what size of prime mover is required to operate the pump? If direct driven electric motor having an efficiency of an electric energy in a month of 30 days, the pump is operated for 12 hours daily, 30 days, and cost of electricity is 50 paise per unit. Then the solution, WHP is equal to discharge into total head upon 76. By putting values, we will get WHP equal to 7.18 HP. The pump is directly driven, therefore shaft horsepower and brake horsepower are same. Therefore, kilowatt input to motor is equal to BHP into 0.746 upon motor efficiency. The motor efficiency is given 80%. Therefore, kilowatt input given to motor is 9.31 kilowatt. Now the total energy consumption per month, the motor is driven daily 12 hours and 30 days of the month. So the total energy consumption is 3351.6 kilowatt per hours. Now the cost of electrical energy per month, it is given that the electricity cost is 50 paise per kilowatt. Hence, the total cost of electrical energy in month is rupees 1675.80. To get more videos related to agriculture and agricultural engineering, subscribe the AgroNears channel. Thank you.